What can I say? Dehydrated cheese in a can. A good-sized can. Heavy can. Feels very full of product. Yes, it is a powdered cheese, perfect for making MACC and cheese in a pinch. Could also be mixed into bread dough, biscuit dough, etc., for cheesy breads. Add to the dehydrated potato slices for scalloped potatoes. Add to pastas, add to popcorn, add to veggie dishes, heck, add to anything you want to make cheesy. Makes cheese sauces easier, no melting. Anyway, I got this to keep on hand as nutritious food that wouldn't spoil or need to be kept cold, against hard times. I am not a prepper, just have been broke and hungry before, so I invested when I could, to help ensure next time things go badly, I will have something on hand to help make it through. I have not opened the can, I am setting it aside against tough times returning. I know when I need to open this can, I'll be glad I got it while I could. Great for popcorn, and useful in many recipes. Must have for prepping purposes. I use this quite a bit for a variety of uses. Not really all that great for mac and cheese compared to my old favorite, Velveeta. But this doesn't have all the junk additives most processed cheeses do. This powdered cheese is great. We use it to make mac and cheese that has a real kick. You can also add it to casseroles and dust it over popcorn for that true cheese taste. I am going to try making cheese biscuits and cheese crackers next. The taste and texture are better than we had hoped for. As the name implies, this is a powdered blend of cheese and other ingredients. It doesn't have a really strong cheese flavor but more of a mild but pleasant cheese taste. For example, when used to make a sauce for macaroni and cheese, this is okay, but I would prefer a stronger cheese flavor. However, it works really well for adding a cheese flavor to something like broccoli and rice or soup. It has a very fine powder consistency, and this makes it quite easy to blend into a sauce without requiring melting like actual cheese. I mix it with olive oil and water to make a sauce with a cheese whiz-like consistency to use as a spreadable condiment. This can be used as a pretty good substitute for sliced American cheese or mild cheddar cheese. This cheese powder also works particularly well sprinkled on popcorn, and this has become one of my favorite uses for this item. I am satisfied with this product enough that I have purchased it many times and always keep it on hand. Even though I am not overly impressed by the amount of cheese taste, I buy it for the convenience of using it and keeping it on hand without requiring refrigeration. I don't buy this just to be prepared for the next apocalypse. I keep this on hand as a convenient pantry item for daily use. Since this item is perfect for long-term storage, I usually buy several cans whenever I see it at a good price. Bottom line, I would certainly prefer to use some type of real cheese for most things, but this can be an acceptable substitute for a variety of uses and would be good to have on hand for emergencies. I was very skeptical of this product. I wish I had opened it sooner. I was afraid it would have a terrible cheese flavor, or if at the least maybe something out of a box. I thought I would have to add more ingredients. I thought I would have to use practically the whole can to get any kind of flavor. But I was wrong. A half a cup makes an entire pound of pasta. Click link in description for more reviews.